32-year-old woman presents with a chronic productive cough that has persisted for several years. I think she's a little too young to have something like COPD going on. Maybe let's just go with asthma. I'm not really sure right now. She denies smoking or occupational exposures. The other thing I was thinking is like cystic fibrosis, but that would be, presenting much younger in age, not at age 32 for several years. They're just not really giving me that much to go off here. I really don't know. Let's just go with GERD. It's a common cause of a cough, but I really don't think that's going to be the right answer because a chronic productive cough, GERD is usually going to be kind of like a nighttime cough. She reports daily production of copious, thick, foul-smelling sputum and increasing shortness of breath. So everything so far, there hasn't been any really like buzzwords that have like really triggered a certain illness script for me yet. Is she aspirating or something? Does she have maybe some kind of dysphagia where she's like coughing up things, like Plummer-Vinson syndrome that has esophageal webs, and you can get dysphagia, and maybe you can start, having things that are kind of malodorous coming up. That doesn't seem really good. Medical history is significant for several prior hospitalizations for treatment of pneumonia. Should I just guess cystic fibrosis at this point? I haven't guessed it yet, and I think it would have been younger. I feel like maybe I should have just guessed this earlier. That's not correct. Physical exam reveals bilateral crackles and digital clubbing. Digital clubbing is kind of just telling you that they've had chronic hypoxia. A lot of times it's going to be actually in the setting of lung malignancies, actually, because basically they get chronic hypoxia and then they get increase in VEGF production, which causes basically growth of the blood vessels in the fingers, and then you get clubbing. So not really specific either. And then the bilateral crackles, it's making me think of some kind of interstitial lung disease. The other thing I was thinking of is sarcoid. So sarcoid could cause a chronic cough in a young woman. Bilateral crackles. Okay, so actually multiple, I know what it is now. So multiple lung infections. She's got bilateral crackles. This is basically all buzzwords for someone with bronchiectasis, and they are prone to getting recurrent kind of pseudomonal infections or any kind of lung infections in general. So this is going to be bronchiectasis, and I'm going to lock in my final answer, and that is the correct answer. So this one is a little bit of a difficult one for me today. I don't think my guesses were super good, but I didn't want to delay things too much. But a lot of the things were kind of vague too. Like it could have described many different conditions, which made this doctoral a little bit more difficult. So the last clue was that the CT scan of the chest shows dilated bronchi with thickened walls, or the signet ring sign.